we've actually extended in the Southwest region with Francisco joining as a board member of Mexico as part of the Southwest region, but to work the relationships, work the planning. And the whole goal was to establish if there was a need and a desire to expand AME as a region into Mexico. You know, we've got similar international relationships with Canada. We've got also affiliates in Australia and the United Kingdom. So Mexico just made sense. I know we're trading partners. Our AME Excellence Manufacturing Award is based for North American companies. So Mexico, we've had a number of sites that have applied for the AME Award out of Mexico that have won. We've expanded the AME Excellence Award for any North American headquartered company, either in Canada, US, or Mexico, that had international operations. If they wanted to apply for the AME Excellence Award, we'd do that. And we've done a number of site visits in China for Little Fuse, and we're doing some site visits this year in France. So this AME Excellence Award is really getting a lot of publicity, and it's a great tool for people getting on their lean journey.